The Tejas Mk1A is a symbol of India's growing defense manufacturing capabilities, a reflection of decades of engineering perseverance, and a key part of the country's aspirations for self-reliance in the aerospace domain. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, or HAL, in collaboration with various Indian defense research agencies including the Aeronautical Development Agency and the Defense Research and Development Organization, the Tejas Mk1A is an evolution of the earlier Tejas Mk1 and represents a significant leap forward in terms of avionics, weapon systems, maintainability, and operational capabilities. Let's begin with what sets the Tejas Mk1A apart. The aircraft is a lightweight, single-engine, fourth-generation multi-role fighter designed for air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. It is tailored to meet the demands of modern aerial combat while also being versatile enough to operate in various roles, and it is particularly well suited to the unique geographic and strategic requirements of the Indian Air Force. At its core, the Tejas Mk1A is an aircraft that has been designed with agility and performance in mind. It uses a tailless compound delta-wing configuration, which not only gives it excellent aerodynamics but also contributes to its stealth profile. The use of composite materials in its airframe construction, amounting to nearly 90% of its surface, ensures that the aircraft is lightweight while maintaining structural strength and reducing radar signature. This emphasis on stealth and survivability is critical in the modern battlefield where radar-guided threats are ever present. Powering the Tejas Mk1A is the GEF404IN20 turbofan engine, an advanced version of the reliable F404 series. This engine provides the aircraft with about 85 kilonewtons of thrust, enabling it to reach speeds up to Mach 1.6 and giving it a service ceiling of over 15 kilometers. While the Tejas is not a supercruise-capable aircraft like some fifth-generation fighters, its performance is more than adequate for its class. The thrust-to-weight ratio, coupled with its light frame and responsive flight control system, results in a highly agile platform that excels in dogfights and close combat scenarios. One of the most significant upgrades in the Mk1A variant is the inclusion of an AESA radar system, specifically, the LM2052 active electronically scanned array radar developed by Israel's ELTA Systems. This radar is a huge improvement over the earlier mechanically scanned MMR radar, offering greater range, multi-target tracking, better resistance to jamming, and improved situational awareness. The AESA radar significantly enhances the aircraft's capacity to detect, identify, and engage multiple targets simultaneously, both in air-to-air and air-to-ground modes. Complementing the radar is a state-of-the-art electronic warfare suite. The Mk1A features a self-protection jammer, radar warning receiver, and a towed decoy system, all integrated to improve survivability in high-threat environments. These systems allow the aircraft to detect incoming threats, jam enemy radars, and confuse radar-guided missiles, greatly increasing its odds of survival during missions. The avionics suite has also seen a substantial upgrade. The Tejas Mk1A includes a modern glass cockpit with 3 large multifunction displays, a wide-angle heads-up display, hands-on throttle and stick controls, and digital moving maps. These improvements significantly reduce pilot workload and allow for better focus on mission execution. It is also equipped with an advanced digital flight control system that ensures high maneuverability and fly-by-wire responsiveness. The aircraft's weapons capabilities are equally impressive. The Tejas Mk1A can carry a wide array of munitions, including air-to-air missiles like the Indigenous Astra and foreign options like the Derby and Python-5. For ground attack roles, it can be fitted with laser-guided bombs, cluster munitions, precision-guided munitions, and unguided rockets. The aircraft also includes provisions for smart targeting pods such as the Lightning Targeting Pod for precision strikes. With 8 external hardpoints and a payload capacity of around 5,300 kilograms, it can perform multiple mission profiles without compromising range or performance. One of the more understated but critical advantages of the Mk1A is its improved maintainability. Compared to the original Mk1, the Mk1A has over 40 improvements aimed at reducing maintenance hours and improving mission readiness. These include easier access panels, modular avionics for quick replacement, and enhanced diagnostic systems. This ensures high operational availability and lowers life cycle costs. two major advantages for any Air Force looking to maximize its fleet efficiency. Operational range has also been addressed. The Mk1A includes aerial refueling capability, both probe and drogue and boom types, depending on the configuration. This significantly extends the aircraft's operational radius, allowing it to perform deep strike missions if needed. This capability, combined with its modern radar and EW suite, makes it a versatile tool for strategic and tactical missions alike. Another key strength lies in its network-centric warfare capabilities. The aircraft is equipped with secure data links and the ability to operate as part of a larger integrated air defense system. It can exchange tactical data with AWACS platforms, ground stations, and other fighters, allowing it to function as part of a modern, interconnected battle environment. This is particularly important in today's air combat where information superiority often determines the outcome of engagements. From a strategic point of view, the Tejas Mk1A is not just about raw performance or firepower. It is a vital part of India's push towards defense indigenization. Over 60% of the aircraft is made from Indian components, and that figure is expected to increase with future variants. Indigenous radar systems, weapon systems, software, and structural elements help India reduce reliance on foreign suppliers, giving it greater autonomy over upgrades, maintenance, and operational doctrine. The Tejas Mk1A is also an export hopeful. HAL has actively marketed the aircraft to countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Its combination of affordability, advanced systems, and ease of maintenance makes it attractive for nations looking to modernize their air forces without the exorbitant costs associated with Western or fifth-generation platforms. Its proven reliability, successful flight record, and adaptability to various roles only add to its export potential. Looking to the future, the Mk1A is expected to form a critical part of India's fighter fleet. The Indian Air Force has already placed an order for 83 Tejas Mk1A fighters, and more may follow as the older MiG-21s are phased out. The production rate at HAL's upgraded facilities in Bengaluru and Nashik is being ramped up to meet this demand. The aircraft is expected to enter full squadron service by the mid-2020s, marking a new chapter in Indian airpower. Moreover, the Mk1A serves as the technological bridge between the initial Mk1 variant and the upcoming Tejas Mk2, which will be a medium-weight fighter with a more powerful engine, increased payload capacity, and even more advanced systems. This evolutionary path ensures that India's domestic aerospace industry stays on a progressive technological curve. In terms of combat performance, the Tejas Mk1A has been widely praised by IAF pilots for its handling characteristics, cockpit ergonomics, and responsiveness. It's particularly effective in high-altitude regions such as Ladakh and the Western Front where maneuverability and engine reliability are crucial. Its small radar cross-section also allows it to fly missions with a lower chance of early detection, enhancing its survivability against modern surface-to-air missile systems. However, it would be unrealistic not to acknowledge the challenges and criticisms the Tejas program has faced over the years. Delays, changing requirements, and bureaucratic hurdles have stretched the timeline significantly. What was originally conceived in the 1980s only began to see significant operational deployment in the 2020s. These challenges, while frustrating, also led to key lessons in project management, systems integration, and interagency coordination that are now being applied to future defense projects in India. Today, those setbacks are giving way to a more mature and capable production environment. The Tejas Mk1A is now being seen as a benchmark of what India can achieve with the right focus and support. The aircraft is not only a strategic asset but also a statement of intent, a clear sign that India is ready to step into the global stage not just as a consumer, but as a producer and exporter of advanced defense technology. To summarize, the Tejas Mk1A is more than just a fighter jet. It represents the synthesis of Indian technological ambition, strategic independence, and tactical capability. With powerful sensors, advanced electronic warfare systems, precision strike capabilities, and a high level of agility, it offers a compelling option for both domestic and international users. It's a combat-proven, multi-role platform that delivers impressive performance at a fraction of the cost of Western fighters. As India continues to evolve its defense ecosystem, the Tejas Mk1A stands as a testament to what homegrown innovation, determination, and perseverance can achieve in one of the most challenging industries in the world. It marks not only a new era in Indian aviation but also a critical shift in global defense dynamics, where developing nations are no longer just buyers but are increasingly becoming builders of the tools that shape modern warfare.